Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set timer on YouTube Kids. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the lock icon at the bottom right corner. Type in the result of the multiplication. Tap on timer at the right side of the screen. And here, using this green button, you can set the time limit. Let's see, for example, 30 minutes. And when the time is up, the app will lock. Tap on Start Timer. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!